is up, guys? Brit Tech here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change the camera video resolution on your iPhone 11 or any iPhone using iOS 13. So let's get into it. Go ahead and go to your settings, and let's go ahead and scroll down to camera. And then once we get there, let's go ahead and open it up, and then we're going to select record video. And as you can see, once you do that, it's going to give you multiple options that you can set your resolution to for your camera when recording videos. So as you can see, 4K at 24 FPS, 30 FPS, or 60 FPS. And then, of course, you have 1080p and 720. Now, let's go ahead and go back to the camera, and I'm going to show you how to do it there. So we're going to go ahead and select the video. And as you can see in the top right corner, it says 40K and 60. So if you just click on either one of those, it'll change it to the other setting. So you see 4K went to HD, and then of course you have 24, you can change it to 30, and then you can also change it to 60. And that's how you do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.
Listen.